Ford Charging Station 101, 240V Home Charging Station Ford. Here's a comprehensive overview of the Ford Charging Station, including its features, drawbacks, known issues, and some pro tips for usage, along with alternatives. Features *. The Ford Charge Station Pro is designed for the Ford F-150 registered Lightning registered truck, offering an 80 amp charging capacity. It supports intelligent backup power for your home, utilizing bidirectional power flow. The station is weatherproof, allowing for indoor or outdoor installation, and includes a 25-foot cable. It can be managed remotely via the Ford Pass trademark app, which provides control over the charging process. Cons *. Some users have reported issues with the public Blue Oval trademark charge network, such as difficulty finding working chargers or chargers that refuse payment. Comparatively, Tesla Supercharger network is considered more reliable, with a simpler charging process. Known issues and fixes *. There have been instances where the LED indicators on the Ford Charge Station Pro did not light up upon installation. This could be due to a bad LED or controller, and checking the current may help diagnose the issue. Ford is aware of the annoyances with public EV charging stations and has initiated a program with Charge Angels to test and improve the charging experience. Pro tips *. Ensure that the charger connector is inserted gently into the EV to avoid damaging the pins. Use the Ford Pass trademark app to schedule charging times and monitor the charging status. Alternatives *. ChargePoint Home Flex offers remote monitoring and control, with various output settings up to 50 amps. Juicebox 40 Smart EV Charging Station provides Wi-Fi connectivity for monitoring and alerts. Emporia EV Charger, a budget-friendly option with essential features. For more detailed information or specific troubleshooting, it's recommended to consult the user manual or contact Ford's customer support. Remember, always ensure that any electrical installations are performed by a qualified electrician to maintain safety and compliance with local regulations. Now check out 1. Ford Charge Station Pro Home Charging for your Ford F-150 registered Lightning. https://www.ford.com/truck/